Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 11i and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then scroll down in order to find System and Updates. Then let's tap on Reset and find Reset Settings. Reset network settings, of course. Here your device will inform you what it will actually reset, so as you can see the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So just tap on Reset network settings, and as you can see this reset cannot be undone. So just tap on Reset network settings, and here we've got the information that the network settings have been reset successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.